All right, welcome back, guys. We're going to be talking about Lava Network. This is a free airdrop, completely free. Because it's the first of its kind, this could potentially be a really good one to get into. Once you set it up, which takes 30 seconds to do, you absolutely have to do nothing else. All right, so first we're going to want to come to earn points. Once you come to the points page, it's going to say access Lava, access Web3, earn points. We want to add an invite code in here. I will leave mine in the link if you'd like to support the channel. However, there's probably hundreds of them on Twitter. If you just look up Lava Network referral code, there'll be a ton of them. You can probably also enter into their Discord. They probably have a room just for people sharing their Lava Network invite codes. Once it's in there, you click proceed. It's going to ask you to join their Discord. It's going to ask you to join their Twitter. Once you've done those two things, you can go to your profile. Okay, so here you can choose between the ETH network, Near, Stark, Axelar. So we're just gonna do ETH for right now. And if you feel like adding these RPCs to all of them, I actually use Axelar a lot. I'll probably set that one up later. Just to show you guys kind of how it works, we're gonna use ETH. All right, so we're gonna wanna copy the RPC and then come up to our MetaMask. And up here on the left-hand side, you can add a new network down here. So to bring you to this page here, we're gonna wanna come and add more networks manually. So in here we can add our UPC right here in the new RPC URL. Now if you come to their docs, the Lava ETH mainnet is what they have as an example, but we can name this whatever we want. I would suggest adding Lava and adding ETH as well, just in case they start adding new networks that you can do this with in the future. You'll know that this is the Lava ETH. Okay, so I'm going to use just Lava ETH. The chain ID is 1. The currency symbol or ticker is ETH. And it says here Block Explorer is optional, but I kind of want to put that in there because I go to Etherscan a lot and I like to look at my wallet. So if you like to come to these three little dots here and you can say view on Explorer, sometimes there are coins in there that are not showing up in my MetaMask and I need to grab the address too. If that's the case, I want this to connect to etherscan.io. So I can put that in here, etherscan.io, and that should be it. So I've already added this network. It's not going to let me add another one with the same URL, but you should see the save button come up and you can click that and save. It's going to tell you that you have added the network successfully, or you're going to get an error, in which case you can go back and repeat all the steps again. If you do get lost, you can come down here to their tutorial button and it will lead you right to their docs where they kind of walk you through everything here. So this is exactly the same thing as when you go to chainlist.org, which I use for all of my chains, because I can come here, I can connect my MetaMask, and I can type in any of the networks. You can see there are so many. Layer 2 competition has really gotten crazy. Let's say I wanted to add BNB. I would just come here, connect my wallet, add to MetaMask. It adds it as Arbitrum Llama nodes or BNB Llama nodes. So it's basically adding their RPC so that they can be incentivized on your transactions as well. I would rather a program that I use all the time get something out of it rather than nobody get anything out of it. So anyway, that is all I got for you guys today. That is Lava Network. Just a quick and dirty kind of walkthrough. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.